Good job BOS bosses, you've worked hard, you've played hard, now let's get you paid. The best way to receive payment on Back on Stage is through the client portal. When you create a booking in the booking creator, a unique URL is generated for this particular event in the admin section. This web link, the client portal, will grant client access to the invoice and contract, and allow them to make payments toward balance at their convenience. To begin, let's quickly create a new booking inside Back on Stage. Remember, before you can save a booking, you have to fill in the 4 mandatory fields: event date, event title, client info, and booking status. And for the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to add a service to it as well. It is very important that we check the box to allow online payments with PayPal. This would allow your clients to pay with credit cards. Let's give it a deposit due date and press save. Because we have a pre-existing contract template, all we have to do is to look over the contract once and we're ready to send it. Let's take a look at the preview of the outgoing invoice/contract email. Here we have the email title, email body, and below that the link to the client portal. It is included at the bottom of your initial invoice and contract email every time. This is what the client sees in their email. When they click the link, they'll be taken to their client portal. If you ever need to find the link to their client portal on a later date, simply head into the individual booking view of that gig and you will find it inside the admin tab. Inside the client portal, you will see the specific contract and invoice to this gig as well as options to pay the invoice with credit card, check, or e-transfer. Remember how we checked off the Allow Online Payment with PayPal box before? If we didn't do that, the credit card option would not be available here. Your client will also have the option to pay for the deposit or the full amount here. Simply press the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. Now, what if your client decides to pay with check or e-transfer? Once you have received the physical payments, go ahead and choose the check or e-transfer options here. Even though BOS does not process these transactions, it will record them for you inside the Finance tab for accounting purposes. Just press the Confirm Receipt button once the actual payment has been processed at your financial institution. Here's another way to add client payments yourself. Halfway through the individual booking view, press the Apply Payment button, and you will be able to access the same pay portal inside the client portal. Once you, or your clients, have submitted payments, BOS will send them an email containing their receipt as well as a link to the client portal. Not using Back on Stage in your band yet? Ask your band leader to join Back on Stage. As always, please like and subscribe and check out our website for more awesome tutorials. Let's take your music business to the next level.